I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook apricot delight. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of finely chopped dried apricots, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Finally, have 1/4 cup of shredded coconut ready for that perfect finishing touch. These simple items are all you need to begin this delightful culinary journey. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your chopped apricots, sugar, and water. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. The goal is a thick, jam-like consistency where the apricots are wonderfully soft. Add the lemon juice right at the end for a burst of freshness. After cooking, it's time for the mixture to cool down. Take the saucepan off the heat and allow the apricot mixture to cool completely to room temperature. This cooling process is vital because as it cools, the mixture will firm up, making it much easier to handle. Once cool, you can begin rolling small portions into charming 1-inch balls. Aim for uniformity in size to make your apricot delights look professionally made and appealing. The final step is all about presentation and texture. Take each apricot ball and roll it generously in the shredded coconut until it's completely coated. Gently press the coconut onto the surface to ensure it adheres well. Once all your delights are coated, arrange them beautifully on a serving platter. For the best flavor and texture, chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy these homemade apricot delights as a perfect sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.